It is sunny today. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Lavinia and I post beauty videos regarding makeup, skincare, acne positivity, and just feeling great in your own skin. So if that's something you're interested in, I would love for you to join my channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. Today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be spreading acne positivity, and I'm going to be showing you guys what I do on bad skincare days, when I just feel like my acne is flaring up, when I don't feel my most confident, when, you know, I start to get in my head, look in the mirror, really just like pick apart every single thing on my face. And when you get in that like mindset of just not liking what you're seeing in the mirror, I'm going to be showing you guys my tips and tricks to feel more confident and just kind of gain that love for my skin back. I'm going to take you guys through that journey today because my skin is pretty inflamed today. I'm in the sun right now, but let me move to the shade. As you can see, there's like quite a bit of redness going on. The inflammation has actually gone down quite a bit since the last time I kind of documented my skin. So yeah, but I thought I would show you guys what I do on a bad skincare day because hey, everyone has them. Even me, who like talks about acne positivity every single day, all day long, I still have bad skin days where I just feel, you know, like I'm beating myself up a little bit. So let's get right on into this. If you're having a bad skincare day, follow along with this video and we'll see how you feel at the end of it. Let's get started.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
Okay, so my number one recommendation is making yourself feel like the baddest bleep around, making yourself feel super hot, pretty, making yourself just feel beautiful. And I like to do that, you know, by kind of glamming myself up, making myself feel good. And this is going to be different for every single person. Some of you, it might be like going to the gym, listening to some music. I kind of like to do a big mix of both. So this morning I worked out. Boom, check. That always makes me feel so much better. Put on a cute workout outfit when you do this. It will make you feel so good. But now I am back and let's do a little bit of glam. Okay, so starting off in my bathroom, I want to do my hair. I washed it last night, so this is like its natural state. But I found when I do my hair and I just feel like it's luminous and shiny and nice, I'm like, and I just feel like unstoppable. So let's do that. I'm just gonna be using my straightener to do my hair today. So I'm gonna start off by brushing out the hair, and it's already parted down the middle. I cut it recently on TikTok, so it's actually feeling so nice and smooth. But doing your hair, I just find like kind of puts everything together. Sometimes I even like do like a sleek bun. It makes me feel like really put together, but I'm going to keep it down today. So what I'm gonna do is just take the straightener, and I like to just take like a 1-inch piece, and I'll just go all the way down, all the way to the ends. And then when I get to the ends, I just like to kind of curl them up to give them a little bit of flair. So I just go ahead and do that with all the pieces on my head. And while I'm doing this, I really like to listen to music. I really like listening to like just music that gets me like pumped up, you know? Sometimes like Doja Cat really does it, or like Ariana Grande. You know what? Whatever you're feeling, sometimes I like do like Latin music and kind of dance. So I'm gonna put on some music and finish kind of straightening through my hair. Okay, I just had like my dance session in my bathroom here. But now that I've done like most of the hair, this literally took like 5 minutes to do, by the way. It's really quick and easy. I take the front pieces, like my bangs, and I curl them a little more dramatically so that they just have some like shape to them, you know? Gonna flip the hair over. Whew. Boom. Do you see what I mean? Like you just do your hair and it's like, I feel so good. Listen to some music, pump yourself up, hype yourself up. That's also a thing. You gotta look in the mirror and just be like, you just look so good. You just gotta tell yourself, you look so good. Say it with me. You look so good. Okay, now I'm saying it to you. You look so good. All right, so hair is done. Now it's time to pick an outfit. Now, along with the outfit, I do have a very exciting package from Glizzar. Now you guys, these products, I don't think you're ready for how beautiful these are. So this video is actually brought to you guys by Glizzar. I'm so excited. First off, look at this like beautiful little tote bag they sent. I'm gonna use that for traveling for sure. But they're basically a jewelry company that makes super wicked jewelry. Let me unbox these and show you. I personally love jewelry and it makes me feel so glam. So let me unbox these with you guys. First of all, this packaging is so nice. It really keeps the jewelry protected. So here is the first piece. It's a necklace. It's like a little butterfly chain. Let's put this on. All right, so here is the butterfly necklace. It is literally stunning. I love it. So now for the next piece, we have the matching ring. I'm obsessed with this. Have you literally ever seen anything more beautiful than this? And it is adjustable, so you can just like walk it up. I love this already. I'll have all these pieces linked down below in the description. So first off, in this box we do have another ring. This one is so pretty too. This is what this looks like right here. It's like a gold band with like silver in it. And then last but not least, we have earrings, which these are so pretty. They're like two little U shape. There is just something about jewelry that just makes me feel so put together. Like if I have my hair done, jewelry on, I put on like literally the most basic outfit ever, I feel put together. Let me show you guys these pieces up close. All right, so here are the earrings. They're literally gorgeous, so elegant, like simple but still elegant and still like kind of a statement piece. And then here is the little butterfly necklace that matches the ring, and then we have the other ring as well. So already I'm feeling pretty good. Got my jewelry on. Again, I'll have all these pieces down below in the description so you guys can shop them. All right, so hair's done, jewelry's on. Now it's time to pick an outfit and then we'll do makeup. So I want to do something like, it'll just make me feel good. And that's all that it's about. If you're gonna feel your best in like a workout outfit or whatever it is, that's what you should be putting on today. Literally put on your best outfit. The thing that makes you feel the most confident, because that's what's gonna, you know, help you kind of feel like more picked up on these bad skin days. So I've been really obsessed with this top lately. I've really been liking collared necklines on myself lately. So I think I'm gonna do this top. It's like a crop top. It's from H&M. For some reason, I feel like wearing these blue pants today. I love wearing bright colors. So let me put this on and I'll be right back. All right, outfit is on. So this is like a backless top, like a little collar top. I am wearing the blue pants. I really like these pants. And I'm going out tonight too, so I feel like going out, getting out of the house in an outfit you love is the key. We are feeling pretty good and we got all the jewelry. The hair is done. Makeup time. I actually feel like doing my makeup in front of my window there. So let's grab everything I'll need. Everything's a mess right now, but I'm gonna grab a little bit of CC cream. So I have all my products laid out. Let's do our makeup. All right, makeup time. I actually love sitting here and doing my makeup. It's so relaxing because then I just get to look outside. So I just finished applying some sunscreen. I've really been enjoying this. It's an SPF 30 mineral sunscreen, very nice. And I definitely recommend doing your skincare on days that you feel like this. You know, sometimes when your skin's really breaking out and flaring up, the last thing you want to do is skincare, but I promise you, do it, you'll feel better afterwards. And it might be a little discouraging at first, but your skin will feel refreshed and ready for the day. So next I'm going to be taking my Indeed Nano Blur in the green color. Now, I have mixed thoughts about putting on makeup the second you feel down about your skin. Yes, it can help you feel more confident in the moment, but it can also make you feel worse at night when you have to take off your makeup. So what I like to do and what I'll be doing today is doing a makeup look that doesn't hide my flaws but enhances my features. So I'm going to be taking this green color corrector instead of like coverage really today, because this will kind of neutralize the redness in my skin, but it won't like completely, you know, cover up or anything like that. You'll still see my acne, of course, but it will neutralize a little. I like using products that maybe will just help a little bit and will kind of make me feel a little more confident, but nothing that completely covers me up. Just went ahead and applied that. And then similarly, I'm going to be doing with foundation. Well, this is a CC cream. It's from IT Cosmetics. I've really been enjoying this actually because it applies kind of similarly to like a moisturizer. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the foundation. A little bit goes a really long way with this. It's super high coverage, and as I said, I don't want high coverage today, so I'm gonna just take this and kind of dot it all over the face, and then just kind of stipple out so we're not completely covering the acne or any of the redness, but we're just gonna even out the skin a little bit. So as you can see, you can like still see my spots peeking through, but we're just kind of neutralizing that redness out a little bit, not completely covering the skin. We're gonna leave a lot of those spots just kind of peeking through there, but I do like to kind of add some more to the skin just to make myself feel super glam, because I don't know, glam makeup makes me feel good, but sometimes I don't like doing like full coverage. So I'm taking this Charlotte Tilbury, it's like a cream to powder bronzer, and I'm just gonna kind of stipple this with the brush it comes with on the like perimeter of my face, just to add a little bit of color. I feel like my face is a little pale today. And then also adding some blush. I have been really into cream blushes, berry tones. This is Milani Nude Kiss. And sometimes adding blush actually helps with my acne, kind of make it look more part of my skin tone. The redness of the blush blends really nicely with my acne actually. As you can see, very quick makeup. Then I'm going to take some Merit Brow Gel and swipe through the brows. Continuing with enhancing my features, I want to elongate my eyes a little bit, so I'm going to take this Sister Cosmetic, it's like a little brow palette, and I'm going to create like a little smoked out wing on the outer corner of my eye there. Bring out that like cat eye feature to them right there. So I'm going to do that on both sides. And then I'm just gonna add some mascara to the lashes. And then honestly, like my favorite part to the makeup that I feel like really just makes me feel so good in my skin is the lips actually, which is very contradictory to what I used to think, because I used to think if I do like, you know, a pinky or a reddish lip, it would really accentuate my acne, but now I love it. I'm like, I don't care if my acne is accentuated, I love how bold lip looks. So I'm applying this Sephora lip liner in the shade Rum Raisin. It's a really nice mauve. I'm gonna do a little like lip cocktail today, so I'm gonna take that, and then I'm gonna take this Merit lip oil in the shade Taupe and just take a very little bit of this on the center and blend it with that lip liner. And then I love a glossy lip. I feel like I put on a gloss and I'm like a different person, so I'm gonna take ColourPop Luxe lip gloss in the shade Hey. It's like a nice mauvey pink, and these are really glossy. Here's the finished makeup look. As you can see, the acne is still showing. Very quick, easy, simple, but if a little bit of makeup is gonna make you feel good, do it. Just like don't use it as a mask, I feel like, because then that does like more harm than good. Try to do it in a way where you're enhancing your features, but you can still take it off at the end of the day and like appreciate your skin for what it is. So here's the finished look. We got the outfit going, hair is all done, got the jewelry on, and the makeup as well. Just to remind you, you can shop all the jewelry I'm wearing down below in the description box. So yeah guys, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and if you did enjoy, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a future upload. If you want to see more content from me, you can go check out my Instagram and TikTok at Lavinia Rasanda. We post so much content on there, so you definitely don't want to miss out. And like I said, you can find all this jewelry down below in the description, and use this discount code right here if you want to save some cash. Have a lovely day, guys. Remember to tell yourself something you love about your skin today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.